Licenses of 12 ultrasound centers were cancelled in Manipur this year for allegedly violating the provisions of preconceptions and prenatal diagnostic techniques regulations and Prevention of Misuse Act 1994 by determining the gender of fetuses. With these cancellations, the total number of ultrasound centers whose licenses have been scrapped in the state has risen to 44 so far. This was stated by State Nodal Officer for Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques (PC and Pndt), Dr. Huidrom Suzata, during a state-level media sensitization workshop held today. The workshop on preconception and prenatal diagnostic techniques was organized at the conference hall of Directorate of Family Welfare Services, BT Road, Imphal. It was jointly organized by State PC and Pndt Cell, Directorate of Family Welfare Services and State Health Society NHM Manipur. Addressing the workshop, Dr. Suzata expressed serious concern over the declining birth rate of girl children in the state, identifying the misuse of prenatal diagnostic techniques as a major contributing factor. She revealed that up to November this year, only 938 girls were born for every 1,000 boys in Manipur, leading to a growing imbalance in the sex ratio that could have long-term demographic consequences. Dr. Suzata further noted that despite legal prohibitions, the practice of female infanticide continues in the society. She reiterated that prenatal gender determination is strictly illegal. Director of Family Welfare Services, Dr. N. Bino, Additional Director, Dr. Samorjit Ningombam, and Joint Director, Dr. Sonia Irengbam, also attended the workshop.
State Pndt portal, I'm also quite sad. Portal is quite long level. The registration to the Kununza, online registration to Hole, Duga Pay Makata, portal, the website, Adum portals incorporate family.mn.gov.in online center any Pndt convening so that have currently have time to time. Update data Mamiam update